Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn your hotspot on your computer or laptop, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, the quickest way, there's actually two ways you can go about it, how you can turn your hotspot on or off. In our previous tutorial, I show you how you can create a hotspot, and then in this one, I'm just going to show you how you can turn it on. So if you want to check, or if you don't know how to create it, I will leave a link to that in the description and you can check it out. Now, the longest way to turn it on, all you can do is just come to your setting, click on settings right here, and then this should be opening up. Now I want you to click on your network, click on network, and then this should be opening up. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet, obviously. Now I want you to click on right mobile hotspot, and then share my internet connection with other device. You can turn it on. So apply, and then that's you turn it on right there. So that's how you can turn your hotspot on or off on in Windows 10 on your computer or laptop. Now you can also turn it on if you want to turn it off, or if you are done, right? So that's the longest way to do about it. The shortest way to do or to turn it your hotspot on or off on your computer, just come here and then click on this arrow, and then I want you to click on this network right here, right? You're on there. Now click on that network, and then this should be opening up, right? This tab should be opening up. Now if you look here, you see you have this mobile hotspot right here. So once you want to turn it on, as you can see, it's off. So if you want to turn it on, you can just click on it, and then as you can see, it's connected, it's now on. You turn your mobile hotspot on your computer, and then if you are done and you want to turn it off, right, you can just click on, you can unmark it, and then that's like it is connecting. As you can see, it's now turned off, right? So that's how you can turn your core or your mobile hotspot or your hotspot on your computer on or off. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time you upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I see you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.